Welcome to Food Fanatix. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make chocolate Oreo cake. 180 ml of milk, add 1 tablespoon vinegar, stir lightly and set aside. Sieve 200 grams of plain flour, 70 grams of cocoa powder, 1.5 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Add 300 grams of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, and mix the dry ingredients well. Add the milk, 2 eggs, 60 ml of oil, 2 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of coffee in 180 ml of hot water. Pour into the batter and mix well. Pour the batter into 3 6-inch greased tins. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Allow the cakes to cool completely before frosting. Link in description on how to make vanilla buttercream. Add 30 finely crushed Oreos. And beat well. Layer the cake with the Oreo buttercream. Apply a crumb coat and refrigerate for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, apply the final layer of buttercream. Refrigerate for 20 minutes. For the drip, you need 80 grams of dark chocolate. Add 40 ml of heavy cream and leave it for 5 minutes before stirring. You can add crushed Oreos. Do try it out. Thanks for watching.